In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a CRM with Google Sheets and Gemini. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into this video. Okay, so now this is a great way to keep track of customers, leads, follow-ups, and notes without paying for expensive CRM software. So we're also going to use Gemini to help generate emails, summarize customer notes, and speed up your workflow. Okay, so on this demonstration, I'm going to open up Google Sheets. So I've got a new blank sheet here, and now I'm going to rename this sheet CRM for this tutorial. Now, the next step is to create your CRM columns. So in the first row, I'm going to create the following headings. So I've got the name of the person, the company. Next row is going to be the email, phone, and status. Now this is just going to give us some data to work with. Then from here, we want to go ahead and you can customize this so you can change the header and the layout. Now from here, we want to go ahead and add a drop down. So select status column. So here it is here. I'm going to select this column and then click onto insert and then choose drop down. Now I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger so it's a bit easier to see. Then to the right, we can go ahead and add more options, but I'm going to delete the status option because that is the part of the header. So I'm going to delete that. But if you need to add in other options, go ahead and click on add another item. That's going to go ahead and add another item. And if we click on the little drop down menu, we can see here we've got these options inside of here. Now I'm just going to delete this like so. I'm going to delete it again. I'm just going to rename it status so this isn't a drop down. Now to the right, we can change the color. So contacted, I'm going to choose a green for this, like so. And then new lead is going to be, say, pink, and proposal sent is going to be a blue. So now we can color code this as well to make it easier. And there's other advanced options we can do. So we can change from a chip to an arrow or to plain text. So if it's a plain text, you want to click into it, double click, and then you can select. I'm just going to select these keep them as plain text and click onto done. Then the next thing we want to do is freeze this heading. So if you've got a lot of information, if we scroll down, you can see here the heading doesn't come with us. So we want to freeze the head and it can scroll with us. So click on the heading and then click onto view, and then we want to freeze that top row. So one row, select the one row. So when we scroll, this is going to stay as is. Now, Gemini is built into Google Workspace account. So if you click Ask Gemini at the top right, we can go ahead and try it out. Now, you will need a subscription for this. So we've got a couple of different plans. So we can go monthly or annually and choose which one best fits your business. Then from there, suppose your notes column say customer wants pricing for 50 licenses, interested in annual billing, ask for a follow-up next Tuesday. We can highlight the note and then open up Gemini and say summarize these customer notes into one short paragraph. And then Gemini will produce a concise summary that you can paste into the AI summary column. We can also draft follow-up. So select the customer's information. We can ask Gemini, write a professional follow-up email for this customer, thanking them for their time and reminding them about our proposal. And then Gemini is going to create an email similar to this, and then we can paste this into the email draft column. We can also generate sale ideas, so Gemini can also help you decide what to do next. So we can ask, based on these notes, suggest the next action I should take. So I might recommend schedule a meeting, send pricing, call the customer, etc. And then we can also filter our leads here too. So we can click on data, create a filter. So I'm going to come back to Google Sheets. So click on data, create a filter. Then from here, we can quickly filter by new leads, won deals, lost customers, proposals sent, meetings, schedule. So this is going to make your CRM much easier to manage.